If you forgot your iPad passcode, which means the lock screen passcode of your iPad, then you can't get in or just can't use your iPad. And maybe your iPad is like ours is working, but you can't use it because you forgot the lock screen passcode. Or maybe even worse, you have tried it so many times that your iPad will say something like iPad unavailable or disabled. And it probably asked you to try again in 5 minutes, or 15 minutes or even 1 hour. No worries, we've got you covered. In this video, we're gonna step-by-step guide you 2 tips on how to unlock iPad without password. Meaning we're gonna show you how to remove iPad lock screen password without using a computer or using iTunes in 2 tips. And the 2 tips are compatible with all iPad models. So not only the iPad Air 4 in this video, the 2 tips also work with entry-level iPad, iPad mini, iPad Air other models, and iPad Pro. So let's get it. Before we keep going with this method, please let me make it clear first, this method comes straight from Apple Official, which is using Erase iPad when your iPad is unavailable. It's compatible with all popular iPad series, but there are still some restrictions you need to know. First, the iPad needs to be 15.2 or later. Second, your iPad needs to be signed in with Apple ID that you know the password, and also iPad needs to be connected with Wi-Fi or cellular. Now, let's go on this tip. As we tried 6 times before, now it's 7th attempt, iPad gonna say, iPad unavailable, try again in 15 minutes, there's still no erase iPad option here, so let's wait for 15 minutes, after the duration, then do the 8th attempt, if the passcode you enter is still a wrong one, then iPad will say that try again in 1 hour. But now, you can see an erase iPad option in the bottom corner of the screen. Tap on erase iPad, you will get to the security lockout screen, then tap erase iPad again to confirm erasing all content and settings. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID on your device. Wait a little bit, there's gonna show up a pop-up window on the iPad screen. Tap erase iPad to permanently delete all of your data and settings. Now iPad is in the erasing process. Please wait for a while and don't force it to restart during the process. When your device restarts, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again. You can choose to restore your data and settings from a backup and set a new passcode. In conclusion, you can only reach the security lockout screen if you have an active cellular or Wi-Fi connection and previously enabled Find My on your device. After you try to enter your password 10 times, your device will either erase itself or show security lockout and the option to erase iPad without a timer, depending on how you previously set up your device. However, if you can't follow these steps, you can also use a computer to reset your device. Tip 2 is completely no need any password, even Apple ID. You can free your iPad instantly just in few clicks. And it supports not only iPad, but also iPhone, iPod, all devices with iOS version 5 and above, and all types of iOS screen locks are supported. Also note that the iOS version of device will be updated to the latest one after you unlock iPad. Before you start unlocking the screen passcode, get AnyUnlock downloaded on your computer. After downloading and installing AnyUnlock on your computer successfully, please connect your iPad to a computer with a USB cable. Then, launch the software on your computer and choose Unlock Screen Passcode mode. Then, please click Start Now button. AnyUnlock will automatically detect your device model. But if your device is not detected, please follow the instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Power off your iPad, then press power and volume down button at the same time until recovery mode appears. After your device info is shown on the app, please choose the firmware version provided. Also you can customize the downloading path, and then click Download button. After clicking Download button, the downloading process will start automatically. And it may take some time to download the firmware package, so please keep patient. After the firmware package downloading was completely, please select Unlock Now option. Then AnyUnlock will start to remove screen passcode automatically. Please keep your device connected to computer via the USB cable during the unlocking process. Just in a few minutes, the screen passcode will be removed from your device. Now you just need to set up your iPad, and then enjoy it without a password. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.